Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to check the oil level in your Volvo S60. First, ensure your car is parked on a level surface. This is crucial for an accurate reading. Next, drive your car until the engine is warm, then turn it off and wait about 5 minutes for the oil to settle. Finally, locate the bright yellow or orange dipstick handle under the hood. Now that your engine has cooled slightly, open the hood of your Volvo S60 and secure it safely. Look for the engine oil dipstick, which is usually marked with a distinct color like yellow or orange for easy identification. Once you've found it, firmly grasp the handle and pull the dipstick straight out of its tube. After removing the dipstick, use a clean cloth or paper towel to thoroughly wipe off all the oil. This step is essential for an accurate reading. Then, reinsert the dipstick all the way back into its tube until it's fully seated. Wait a moment, then pull it out again to check the oil level against the markings. The oil level should ideally fall between the minimum and maximum marks on the dipstick. If your oil is below the minimum mark, you'll need to add more. Pour oil slowly, a small amount at a time, checking the level frequently. Remember, overfilling your engine with oil can cause damage, so always add cautiously.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.